Yo, it's your bar with another video. Abs are the most wanted by both men and women. Therefore, it's not surprising that most of fitness marketing revolves around getting a six-pack. Even crazy promises to get a six-pack in 5 minutes. So here's some of the best and true practices to get a six-pack. Let's get into the video. So I got a new camera for my birthday. Tell me how good the quality is in the comments below. So let's start this video off with a myth that I stated in my fitness myth video, which is you can get a six-pack by doing tons of crunches. This is far from the truth. Core exercises like sit-ups, crunches, and any other core exercises shape the muscle, not build them. If you can't see your six-pack, it's because of the layer of fat that is covering it. In order to fix that, you need to enter a calorie deficit, which is burning more calories than you've eaten. So, in order to burn 1 pound of fat, you need to aim to burn at least 3,500 calories. And you need to have a healthy diet plan to help you get a six-pack. So, if you want me to make a new video about debunking fitness myths, like this video and say in the comments that I want a new fitness debunking video. Not only do you have to increase reps, but also increase the intensity or resistance. 10 to 15 reps of high intensity is a lot better than doing 100 crunches that are easy. As you progress, you need to increase intensity and reps of an exercise. Speaking of exercise, let's talk about some exercise selections. Your abs or rectus abdominis is a single muscle. Exercises like crunches will help stimulate the upper abs. Movements that involve the bottom portion of your legs will help stimulate the lower abs, like the exercise laying leg raises. You should incorporate multiple exercises that will work all your core muscles, including internal obliques, external obliques, and upper and lower abs. If you don't know what these are, go search it up on Google. I was going to show you guys on my chart, but you guys wouldn't be able to see it clearly. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more fitness content just like this, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. If you like this video, press the like button, and here's a video that YouTube thinks that you will like. Peace!